Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, awarding it a score of -3.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 6.77%. This equates to an average daily loss of 3.38% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.93 be breached, it would initially signify a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early alert for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 25.22% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 16.15% and 67.18%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -15.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -75.60% to 82.19% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $5.24 and $39.15. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $21.42 and $23.92. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 6.77% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, from $23.05 to $21.49. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.67%, from a day low of $21.42 to a day high of $23.92. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 18.35% over this period. Trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 31 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares exchanged for approximately $404,007,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 60.70%, or $33.19, below the 52-week high, and 72.93%, or $57.89, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, identified by the ticker DJT, has made headlines with its aggressive move to raise $2.5 billion aimed at establishing one of the largest Bitcoin treasuries for a publicly listed company. This initiative includes $1.5 billion in equity and $1 billion in convertible notes, a strategic pivot that reflects a broader trend in the corporate world where companies are increasingly investing in cryptocurrencies. Despite this ambitious strategy, Trump Media faces significant challenges. The company is grappling with a deeply unprofitable revenue base, reporting under $1 million in the first quarter while trading at an astonishing 1,800 times its annual sales. The stock has experienced a sharp decline, dropping over 10% recently, showcasing how investor sentiment can sour quickly amidst concerns over its cash burn and valuation. In the short term, The announced Bitcoin treasury could create volatility in DJT's stock price as investors weigh the potential upside of holding significant crypto assets against the risks presented by a struggling core business and the overall market reaction to large capital raises. Long-term effects will depend on whether the strategy succeeds in stabilizing the company's finances and enhancing its credibility in the tech space, especially given that its viability is closely tied to former President Trump's ongoing political influence. If the company can leverage its Bitcoin holdings effectively, it may turn around its fortunes, but caution is warranted as investors navigate this high-risk environment. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at the levels of $24.18 and $23.59. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 18.54%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 75 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 70 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $20.27 and $18.79. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $20.27. If this is surpassed, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $18.79 and $18.76. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.50 between its high and low, representing an 11.67% change. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 8.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profit and could signal risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $22.87. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a critical level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $20.27. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, also with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. Additionally, on that day, Philip Juhan sold 416 shares of common stock at the same par value. Continuing, on the 14th of May, Philip Juhan also sold 36,774 shares of common stock, maintaining that par value. Lastly, on the same day, he sold 248 shares of common stock, again with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 21.320. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation's stock displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our assessment from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 783/10,000,000, starting at $22.27. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.